Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use your refrigerator's ice and water dispenser. If this is your first time using the dispenser, or if the refrigerator has not been used for a long time, ice and water dispensed may include particles or odors from the water supply line or the water tank. To prevent this, it is a good idea to drain 5 liters of water and throw away the first bin full of ice. To do so, place a container under the dispenser, and press and release the dispenser pad for cycles of 30 seconds on and 60 seconds off until you dispense 5 liters of water. This should take you around 3 minutes. Next, we recommend you throw away the first bin full of ice. To access the ice cubes, lift up the ice bin with both hands and pull it out. Then, dispose all of the ice safely. Now to reattach the ice bin, carefully reinsert the ice bin by slanting the top slightly to fit it under the ice maker and push it in. Wait for the ice to freeze and you are all set to enjoy refreshing ice and water. Make sure both doors are closed, as the dispenser will not operate if a door is open. How to use the dispenser control panel. The dispenser control panel is super simple to use. The button on the left is for ice cubes, the middle one is for water, and the right one is for crushed ice. To set the dispenser mode, simply touch the icon of whatever it is you would like. Now press your glass or container to the dispenser paddle and enjoy refreshing ice or water. How to clean the dispenser. The water and ice outlet may easily get dirty, so it is important to clean it frequently. Using a clean cloth, wipe the water and ice outlet thoroughly. Next, clean the dispenser tray, as it gets wet easily because of spilled water and ice. How to use the self-care function. The dispenser also features a UV light at the water outlet, which is used to kill bacteria. The UV clean function runs automatically for 10 minutes every hour and can be manually activated at any time. Simply go to the control panel inside the refrigerator, press and hold the self-care button for 3 seconds to activate the UV clean function manually. How to lock the dispenser. If you ever need to lock the dispenser to prevent your kids from playing with it, press and hold the lock button on the control panel for 3 seconds. This will lock both the dispenser and all of the control panel functions. To unlock them, simply press and hold the lock button again for 3 seconds. And that's it. Using the ice and water dispenser on your LG refrigerator is simpler than ever. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.